Well, hello there, friend. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Andrew Najera here at Drew Installs Hardware. Today, I'm trying to help a customer out. They got this gate, and they'd really like to put a crash bar on it with a trim. Now, it's a fixed lever trim, not a operable lever, but so that makes it a little bit easier for prep-wise. But it's always tell the customer, sometimes you can run into trouble when you're trying to put door hardware on something that's not a door. I looked at this one and it looks like it'll be okay. So we're gonna give it a shot for him. See if we can make it happen. I'll take you through the entire process. With me, he's asked for it to be centered. He's asked for it to be centered on this bar here, which is a little low. Hey, but it's still kind of within the window of where it should be. So math is hard. Math is hard. Okay. So I got this line here now. So because there's a big gap here, I already told him he may need to weld something here that then the roller latch will get attached to. But so they know that. So I may not end up installing the roller latch today, but I will install the crash bar, and he'll be really happy to have that installed. That's too, I gotta be careful. It's got this rounded edge. It's got that rounded edge on this thingy. And then I just need enough for my template like that. So I'm gonna need this. Oops, come on. Those. So I'm centered. It's like a tube steel, right? So, okay, yeah, here's the instructions. So they show you that the center line here, that's all good, but for the cylinder hole on the outside, it's a 1/4 inch up. Rim or vertical rod, 1/4 inch, dimension A up, okay? So that just means that here on my layout, man, this is all way down low, so I gotta kind of get down. So that just means I'm coming up a 1/4 inch, which is basically right where the top of the circle is that I drew there. So I'm gonna end up with a hole here. I'm gonna put a hole here, drill it through. So let's drill some holes real quick. That's a hottie. That's a hottie. Hole for the outside. We're already learning something. It's really thick metal. Okay. So, hey, there's that hole. The post holes drill through, and they look like they're kind of in the right spots. Not really. I think the drill block, I got a little off there. That happens. It definitely happens. I kind of hold it up here sometimes. Oh, we're close enough. That one got a little off maybe. And so, do need these to be stepped out a little too. The trim is 2 3/4 wide, so I can drill 1 3/4 inches, where it's said to drill 1 5/8. That is going to be okay. Yes. Do you concur? I hope you concur, because I concur as well. If that was your decision, I think it's a good decision, and I'll back you up on it. Always. I will always back you up. It was a good call. Oh, look how thick that is. Dude, that's some thick stuff right there. Wow. Okay. Hopefully just the outside layer was that thick. I think that's the case. Dang, burning my hand. All right, let's see if we can keep going. Let this thing rest for a little bit. Man, it's still really hot, but oh yeah, so I can show you. See the base there, and then the base there. I think I need to replace this. My bad. Yep. That probably isn't helping me out. That's not doing me any favors. You gotta work on my aim. What the heck? Oh, wrong one. Oh, yeah, and I need. All right. Okay, a couple more holes still to drill. And tap. 5:30 seconds. Okay. Man, are all our holes prepped? I think so. I don't think this is gonna pop in though, because my holes seem like they were a little off. Oh, it popped in. Gosh, I hate being right. All right. I hate being wrong. I was wrong because I thought I made a mistake. That was my first mistake. My first mistake was thinking I did something wrong. Okay, let's install the bar. I get the shades from my, it's a stinking paperweight. You know, I have been thinking about gratitude. Now that I said that, no, I've been thinking about gratitude lately because work's been a little slow. There we go. Oh, it's a two-tone. We got that two-tone going on. Two-tone going on. I have been thinking about gratitude because work's been a little slow lately, and so this week I had a little bit of work, and I was just thinking, man, I'm so happy and grateful to have this little bit of work I've had this week, because it means money's coming in, and it means I'm going to be able to provide for my kids and pay the bills and just keep everything going. And I'm just, and I have enjoyable work. My work's enjoyable too. Like, it's pretty, I like this stuff, even when I mess up. But I made a couple mistakes today that are just kind of like embarrassing a little bit. Just I'm like, man, I shouldn't be been doing this too long to mess up stuff like that, but it happens. But yeah, I'm just really grateful to be able to work, and grateful we got great customers, and grateful for my kids and my friends, and there's so much to be grateful for that it helps deal with. There's plenty of bad stuff, I know that, and there's plenty of stuff to worry about, but if we focus on the things we're grateful for, really we can be happy even when there's stuff going on around us that, you know, we're not in control of and we don't like, but we can still be grateful for all the good that we do have. So this is a fixed lever. This lever will never operate, and so it doesn't have all the spring and the guts that lets you, and the lift finger, you know? And so that's why I don't have to do any extra prep out there besides the big holes. And I'll tell you what, man, if they were trying to put an operable lever on this thing with that thick of metal and that thing you have to cut, or no, it'd be on the inside. No, it'd be on the outside, but you gotta cut stuff out. Oh man, that would be awful. That would be awful. Okay. Oh man, the tailpiece is just long enough. So I'm gonna hold on to the tailpiece as it closes. I normally tape it. Let me just tape it too. I like to tape it too. I like to tape it just to help me out. It's like an extra hand. And then I get to tell an apprentice, hey, I replaced you with a piece of tape. They hate it when I say that, but it's kind of funny. And this is, I don't like using this tape. For one, it's not really the right tape to use, but it'll get us started here. That right there, right? And then I'm gonna make sure this go. Okay, let me just test her out. Beautiful, nice. Beautiful, crazy. It's a cool song. I like that one. Okay, we're rolling here, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost there. Eyeball that boy right there. Right there. And I'm gonna drill some more holes in that tube steel as we go. Got quiet because I'm getting tired. Hot. Well, so just the cover plate now. You know the rest. I mean, and then the roller lat. But yeah, look at that. We got a panic bar on this door for them. They're going to be happy. It's not a door, it's a gate, but they're going to be happy. All right. Hey, thanks so much for hanging out. Have more videos coming your way. Thanks for the support. Please like and subscribe, share it. Keep sharing it. Appreciate it so much. All right. Until next time, happy hardwiring.